What's up, guys? It's Micah again. This is a little tutorial on the rhythm for the song called I Could Use a Love Song by Maren Morris. One of my 9-day guitar students was requesting some help on the rhythm for this song. So here we go. First off, I do want to let you know that if you watch her live performance of this song, you're going to notice her capo is on the 7th fret. What you're going to need to do if you're in standard tuning is put it on the 6th fret, okay? Because she is tuned down a half step. So if you were trying to mimic and you're wondering why yours sounds a little bit different, that could very well be the reason. So if you're tuned in standard tuning, put your capo on the 6th fret and you're gonna sound better. So this is not going to be a chord video. This is going to be more of the rhythm video. I think you'll be able to find the chords. If you need me to do a chord video, I might do one. Just let me know if enough people are needing some help with that. First off, we want to know what speed are we at and what kind of beat are we looking at. Okay, so 92 beats per minute is what I would go with. I think that's either exactly right or it's pretty darn close. 92 beats per minute, so you're getting a 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you'll notice the kick drum. I follow the drums all the time. What I always try and do is a mixture of what the whole song sounds like as a whole. So not just what the guitar sounds like or not just what the drums sound like, but if I am trying to create the full band song on my own with my acoustic guitar, kind of by myself or whatever, I'm going to try and fill in what you feel as a rhythm from the whole band instead of just what the guitar player might be doing. This song, we can take it back to the all famous down, down, up, up, down, up rhythm pattern. Bop, 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 bop. Probably the first rhythm you ever learned to play with a song. Maybe not, but it's definitely one of the first ones that you're more than likely going to learn. We need to fit that how it fits into our count so that we can get it going. And what you'll want to know, what's important is we need to set our metronome to 16th notes, okay? And what that sounds like is 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a. So between each number, we have 3 sub beats, okay? So 1, E and a for each one. 2E and a. 3E and a. 4E and a. And then we need to place our rhythm in with that. It's going to be kind of quick. So if you're just working rhythm, when you're playing 16th notes, you're 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a. Okay, now the rhythm is going to be a little faster than that. But we're going to fill in the blanks with arrows how they should be, okay? So, and as I said, it's a down, down, up, up, down, up. So it's a down on the 1, down, then a down, up. So if we do 2 downs in a row, then our hand had to travel up in order to do 2 downs in a row. So down, and then down, so we skip the E and then we get down, up, like that. Bop, bop, bop. And then it's a up, down, up. So then we have to skip the down that would be on the 2 and we go E and so it's a up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. And then on the 3 we start it over. Another down, down, up, and then skip that 4. We got a up, down, up. So if you can get on the song, you turn it on and you're like about the sound. It's like a so you got the down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So you'll see it's kind of quick, and you just gotta keep it rolling. Remember 16th notes. It's going to be kind of quick. If it's too fast for you, just slow your metronome down and start working on it like that. You'll notice when she's playing it that she's got very small motions coming out. That's just going to help the song sound better and not too just noisy with all your guitar strings and stuff like that. So you can practice it with just one string, you can practice it with two strings, but using small wrist motion, okay, and then that's when you'll be able to see yourself actually picking only a few strings. And notice that at a certain point on this note right here, on the 1 and on the 3, I deliberately try and hit the bass note of the chord that I'm on. That's gonna make things sound nice. It's gonna make things sound better. So on the beginning of that pattern, down, down, up, down, up, on the 1 and on the 3. You see, that's where the pattern starts over on the 3. You want to try and hit the bass note of the chord that you're on that note. On the other ones, hit different notes, and it'll sound a certain way. And you can create your own small little rhythm of a down, down, up, down, up, and just pick what string you want to hit on that. Okay, you could do all 1 or 2 strings. You could do that. It's going to sound better as you learn to use multiple strings, but that's something. So that is pretty much it. I think, remember, start slow, build up, and keep your motion small so that you're hitting fewer strings, and that's going to make the song sound better for you. And then as it come into the chorus, the louder part, then you can hit more strings, and your guitar will be a little louder. Your song will start to sound a little bit bigger as you want it to. Obviously, you got to follow the chord progressions as it changes through the different parts of the song. But anyway, that is all I'm going to say about that for now. Hopefully that was helpful for you. And let me know if you need something else for that. Hopefully that was it, though. So just let me know. And once again, my name is Mike Lipsmeyer with 90 Day Guitar, and I will see you soon.